Hey, it's Michael V. Moore, aka Mr. Child Fitness. So for those who live the 9 to 5 lifestyle, you know you pretty much have to dress professionally, some type of manner. Sometimes maybe a t-shirt and pants, but you pretty much gotta get dressed, right? So you don't got wrinkles in your clothes or anything like that. So when dealing with those wrinkles, how do you handle those wrinkles? Do you iron your shirt right away, like right after you get done with your laundry? Do you take your clothes right out of the laundry right away so it doesn't get wrinkles? Or do you iron your shirt each and every single day? Most of the people out there in the world, they don't iron their shirts and their pants every single morning. Because guess what? If you do that over a course of months and years of your life, you realize that, wait a minute, this is pretty inefficient. Why don't I just do something that's going to make my clothes look better? I have a wide selection of clothes right from the get-go. So you're going to pretty much iron your entire week's worth of clothes, or maybe 2-3 days worth of clothes at one sitting. Like, while you got the iron nice and hot, right? You got the iron nice and hot. You're just gonna go ahead and iron more, because you can do more clothes and iron more clothes at one time. Then turn the iron on, get it warm, iron, stop. Next day, repeat the process. Break out the ironing board. All that. It's a long process, right? But over time, you realize, hey, I can be more efficient. Let me just do more stuff at one time. And so, as you think about that, right, everything I said just makes sense for you to iron more clothes at one time than to delay and delay and delay. But I ask you now this: when it comes towards your health and fitness, what are you doing about that? You're pretty much doing an inefficient thing. You're waiting every single day to decide what you're going to do. Oh, I think I'm going to do this today. Oh, no, I'm not going to eat healthy today. Or no, I might go to the gym today. Oh, no. So if you really want to be efficient, this is where a coach like me comes into play. So stop being inefficient and get your life in order and get organized. You already figured out about your clothes. Now it's time to figure it out about your health. So I want to help coach you. So if you need help in getting towards where you want to go to every single day, and you want that structure, you don't want to feel like you got to start over every single day like you do when you iron your clothes, reach out to me, Michael V. Moore, aka Mr. Travel Fitness. Leave a message below, and I'll gladly reach out to you and get you started on where you got to go.